Hello, sixth graders. I just want to show you some things on my website that I think you will find helpful. And when you're done watching this video, you will be able to explore it yourself. So first I want to start with the Math 6 tab. When you just hover your mouse above the Math 6 tab, but not actually click on it, you'll see that there's a drop-down menu. And each of these things has different things in it. So we're going to start with the lesson plans and homework. If you click on that, you'll get to this page right here. And if you scroll down, you can see that my lesson plans and your homework is listed on there. It will always have last week's information, this week, and the next week. And sometimes they will also have the following week as well. So anytime you forget what your homework is, or if you are absent and don't know what the homework is, you can always check on this part right here. Also, if there's any worksheets, as you can see right here, there's a worksheet. It will be uploaded to my website. So if you click on it, you can actually see the website worksheet right online. Next, I want to show you the next part of the drop-down menu, and that is the tutorial lesson videos. If we click on that and scroll down, each of the lessons that we have in class has an online tutorial video that goes along with it. So if we're doing a lesson in class and you need a refresher or you're not sure how to do something, you can look at one of these tutorial videos depending on which lesson we're doing in class. It's also really helpful if you're absent and you missed the lesson in class. You can get online and you can watch the tutorial, and that will help you understand what it is you missed in class. All right, next one is the practice quizzes and tests. If I click on that, it brings us to this right here. And when I scroll down, you can see that there's quizzes and tests in here that are practice ones. Your results do not get sent to me, so you can take these quizzes stress-free. And you can take the quizzes and tests as many times as you want. Most of the time, they will change the problem slightly each time you take the quiz or test. You might see some duplicates, but some of them will be changed. So those are really helpful when you're practicing for a real quiz or a real test in my class. Next thing I want to show you is the extra math practice. What I did here is I put extra games and activities and things to help you with each of the lessons that we're doing in class. So you can see for chapter 1, we've got exponents, order of operations, and long division. So there's different games and different activities for those that would be really helpful for you to do as well. Next, there's the online textbook and SumDog links. SumDog we'll get to later on this month, and I'll explain that to you. But right now I want to show you the online textbook and resources. I have a generic username and password that everyone can use. You don't need your own username and password. And all you have to do is click on this link right here and then type in the username and password. And the entire textbook is right online. So if you're at a friend's house or your grandparents' house, or maybe you're at one of your parents' house for the weekend and you don't have your textbook with you, you can access your entire textbook right online by visiting my website. Okay, next, supplies, book cover, and syllabus. I'm not going to show you that one right now, but that is exactly as it says. And then challenge is if you want some extra challenging math problems, you can check out that. Math help. If you're stuck with your homework and you need some help, you could visit this page right here. It explains a little bit to you about how to understand how to get some help with your homework. The lesson video tutorials, I already explained that to you. Same with the practice quiz and test. Math glossary, we have one in our textbook, but if there's a math word that you're still not sure about or is not in our math textbook, you can check it out there. Tutoring opportunities are also there as well. Announcements are different things that I put on here. Mostly they have to do with MacBay in general, not just my class. You can see we've got something about box tops on there, homerooms, collecting Kleenex and hand sanitizer. And then we've got 2 different clubs that you can join, and one is BBYA, and the other one is Calling All Colors. So if you're interested in those, you can click on those links and that YouTube video and check that out. Curriculum, that's more something that your parents might be interested in. It shows what exactly we're learning in 6th grade math. And then there's some math fun that just has some riddles and jokes and such for you. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you. When you're finished watching the video, you're more than welcome to spend the rest of the class period exploring my website. Have fun. Let me know if you have any questions.